Alright. Glad to go ahead and finally be back coding. Doing the one thing that I love. So, let's go ahead and jump straight into this. But yeah, I've been so obsessed with Ruby for the last several days, so I've been like listening to all of their music. And if you're having a hard time hearing me, let me know. So, trying to remember where I was, because it's been a minute since I've actually done anything. So let's go ahead and set socket. I saw the new Pokemon movie last night. Oh, really? How was it? Did you enjoy it? I have yet to see it, but I am very interested in checking it out. I felt like I was 8 years old again. Oh man, all the memes right there, my dude. All the memes. I think one of my favorite ones was when it was showing then, back in like 2000, Mommy, I want to see that movie! And then it shows today, Mom, I want to see that movie! The Good Idea Co. Sup, guys? I am doing so great right now. I am doing really well. It's been a few days since I was able to code on my own things, and I've been very, very, very much oriented towards working on basically providing examples of my work and taking coding test after coding test after coding test. I feel like I've done every coding test now, so yeah. Do you do it for the money or love? Why? Okay, set topic. Set the topic to personal. Well, fine. Set topic personal. Alright, apparently it's case sensitive. Oh well. So yeah, what's been going on with you? Anything fun or exciting? I've been doing a little bit of showing off of my bot with other people, so that's pretty exciting. Dude, my stuff got picked on Codes and Box. I'm geeking out. Oh! Heck yeah! Well done, my dude. Well done. I'm very happy for you. If you want to send me a link... Oh, you can curse all you want. I just won't curse on stream. I do have sometimes the odd potential employer dropping by that will check out my demeanor and all that fun stuff. And someone's like, oh, you curse? No, not really. I am oddly polite. Alright, let's check it out. It's the force graph thingy. Oh! I remember! I remember the force graph. Yeah, I remember playing around with this back in, I think it was January. Oh, different one. This is a new one. Force directed graph using D3.js and VueJs and Pixie.js. Ooh, exciting. Okay. If it will allow me to shrink things. Or if it wants to be slow, that's cool too. Oh, it has to compile the project locally before it starts. I see how it is. How do I full screen it? If it wants to be... thousands of nodes. Yeah, that would do it. Alright. Second to the right. Ah ha 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 ha! Not that one, the one to the left. This one? Oh. Yeah, if it wants to let me click it. It's going to need to give me a minute, alright? But I'm super stoked for you, my dude. There we go. Little sorry, man. Nah, don't worry about it. Sometimes, my computer likes to think too much is running. That may explain it. But I'll definitely go ahead and, Twitch services, Gatoval. WebGL would be faster. Probably. They would be all colored if it was WebGL. It looked like that at work, and then it decided, hey, let's go ahead and break it all. If it insists. What do you view as a waste of money? Frankly, a lot of things are a waste of money in my mind. But a lot of things are a nice to have. Like, a lot of things that we kind of take for granted. Oh my god, it just keeps refreshing. Food is technically... Yes, I choose starvation. Starvation. It's good for the soul. Builds, spirit. The spirit. I mean, every culture in the world has some form of fasting built into their society. I'm saying it's actual waste. Never mind, my dad joke. Oh my dude. Man, I've been pretty slow on picking up dad jokes as of recently, so no shame. Bye, Frank. Let's go ahead and check out, what am I looking for? It's supposed to be template, I believe. Yep. Because that is where the sockets are going 4K. Whereas I do know I have a valid and working one under chat.matheson projects. But yeah, I actually do subscribe to the idea that a lot of things really are a waste of money. So, WebSocket. So naturally, cd public node, node server. Listen on 3003. Talking with node. Lots of chatter. Wait, it's talking? Wait, is it talking? Is it actually talking? I'm actually a little excited. Jump over to public. Then jump over to node. Pop over in server? Oh no, there's supposed to be responses over here as well. Which is pretty sad. Welcome to the party, Bloodluster. So let's go ahead and see. Talking with Node. So it doesn't think that anything is talking to it, which is weird enough. Later, good idea, Co. So, talk with Node. For some reason, it's able to go ahead and on connect, talk with Node. So, for whatever reason, it's communicating. But I can't talk back, so it seems. So, let's jump back over here. Let's pull open socket. Talking with Node. It doesn't want to connect to that. A connection has been established. So, socket.on. Talk to me. So, let's go ahead and avocado badado. Okay, I think that one is a bot, not for sure though. So, socket on, talk to me. Let's find an example that I know works. Because supposedly, it does work. Supposedly, being the key word. Because it isn't really giving any errors. So the server can talk to it, but for some reason the website can talk to the server. Which is weird. So, let's jump down to automation. HTML. Yeah, HTML. Let's go ahead and jump over to Node, Node.js, chat server. So, when it's on IO, connect, IO, sockets. So, probably don't need that. So, socket on, disconnect. So, and hypothetically, it should automatically handle that. Person has disconnected. So, socket on, talk to me. If you died today, how would you be remembered? That eccentric dude who very much loves to code. Alright. So, hypothetically, it's already... the connection is fine. And when I'm passing on... So, going ahead, and that is where we would go ahead and start talking. You can still pass the socket, which is interesting enough. HTTP listen port. Talked with, so. The heck? Why does it love to do that? I don't know. It's weird enough. Let's see. So, disconnecting seems to be a default, so. Alright. Talk to me? Oh. Talk to me. Come on. Alright. Talked with. Huh! Huh! It works. Okay. Sit. Okay. And if I'm able to go ahead and communicate with it, I can... trying to remember how I did it initially. Store. Node store. So I'm going to need to go ahead. Set data. State placeholder. No, payload. This data equals payload. So So, which would amount to commit. Alrighty. So, need to jump over to my other helpers. I think it's data table. There we go. Alright, those two are brought in. Go ahead and have store. Send up. So we're going to need endpoint args, which will amount to essentially this. Are you always this high maintenance? Explain. Ha! I am a little bit, to be frank. This dot socket talk with node on talk with node 2. So we're not going to need to go ahead and fire things immediately since we know it's going to work. Fairy tale. But we are going to need at least one of these. Actually, we're going to need one of them. Init. And then when we go ahead, init payload. So on init payload. Then we're going to need to do store dot dispatch, which amounts to welcome to the party, Slowcool. Where did you grow up? What was it like? Very pleasant. Very beautiful. Node store. Set data. Payload. Alright. So, this is where we need to set up all the initial ons. Be this and this. Is it possible to communicate with Node Live? That way, And if I remember correctly, we'll send it to every party. And but how we handle that still is going to matter. And it will vary from website to website in how to handle this, but it's the fact that I have something where it can communicate, so that is a win nonetheless. Alrighty. Alrighty. Oh, I haven't set up the store to handle that. Oops. Excuse me. All right. What do you think are people's first impression of you? Questioning, but trusting. These are gathering. So if server is going to be good. Come on. World's slowest build. Come on. You can build faster. I know you can. Ah! That's why. Public node. Need to jump over to public node. And this would need to be the site. And this would need to be server.twitch. Being able to separate the two will be important. Oh yeah, I need to go ahead and build out a bot to handle that. So, server node server dot site. Let's go ahead and fantastic. And it doesn't look like there were any issues. Set data. So it will go ahead. Well, that is definitely weird. Then why didn't it, it would have fired to that, I believe. Node store, set data. Okay. So then, if I'm setting data from the payload, stats. Oh, oops. Commit payload. What do you mean it's not being set? Alright, that's what the payload is. Stores. Actions. Set data. Am I doing it correctly? Oh! Dirt. Good day, DJ Design. What's going on with you today? How have your friends influenced your personality? they've definitely helped me chill the heck out. Oh, I used to be super high strung all the time. Still am. But I learned to take a chill pill. Just got into work a bit late. Understandable. Yeah, I've been busy working on a number of personal things for the last several days, so I haven't had a chance to really focus on the code that I really want to build out. And what excites me is that it took me maybe about 15 minutes since getting back to be able to fix my initial problem. Come on. Alright. Fantastic. Yeah, I was wondering what happened to you. Yeah, I felt really bad. I've been working on a number of things for potential employers. And they were one after another, after another, after another, so it was a bit exhausting. Yeah. I'm just happy to be back at this point. Figured it was job related. Happy for the interest you're getting. I mean, most of the time, it's just interview, then another interview, then a third interview, and then I'm hired. But somehow, I've been getting, hey, take this test, hey, take that test. And I'm not annoyed, keep in mind. It's just one of those things of, well, this is going to take a little bit of time. Oh yeah, I'm actually so happy to be back right now, and with this little program that I have finished working, or finally got working, I'm going to be able to circle back around and possibly start having it work with a few other things. For example, I've actually been flirting with the idea of actually opening my Twitch bot to the general public. Maybe setting up a Patreon for it and allowing people to tell me what they would like me to develop for it. I don't know. Anyways, with this now working, server.site. Fantastic. And all the emails. For some reason, my emails always come in a singular batch at a time. It's never one after another. This day divided for... Would be very better to have a chat free at 2, 5, Yeah, onwards. Four 022123189. There we go. So what does your work have going on for you? Okay. Don't need anything in that regards. Don't need it. Don't need it. So much. Testing and Ruby katas right now. Really? Ruby katas. What are you testing in it specifically? Alright. Now that I have that taken care of. So now that we have that. Quick refresh. Should be fine. Yep. Figured. Alright. Why do they say flattery won't get you anywhere? I think it's to discourage fake flattery. Flutter, Vue, Rails, Swift. Fair enough. Alright. I actually need to double check on if someone actually got back to me. Crap. Slack. I disabled Slack from starting with all of my other programs. Come on, Slack, where are you? It's always my mornings, getting to do my emails, then clear out some tickets for bugs and improvements. Oh yeah. It's the normal routine for everyone. Let's see. Come on, Slack, open. Open says I. Why does it not want to open? Alright. Alright. Alright, Slack, you're finally open. Holy smokes. I don't look at it for a few days and bam. I get all of the missed communications. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and see what's going on. Okay. I have proposed a project in the pitch room. Alright. Could you help, please? How to save a radio button in a database in Laravel. I can very much do so. Do you have your code somewhere? And let's see. ba. Alright. 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 Okay. Apparently I need to take care of that. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Can't believe how much stuff I've actually fallen behind on in regards to this. But it's still important, relevant. Da 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 da. Alrighty. Fields. What is the most worthwhile goal a person can dedicate their life to? Self-improvement and doing what is right for the human race. Alright. I need to remember how to add people. Alrighty. Invite to Asana. Team. Jaxa. Okay. Set up the number of tasks. Alrighty. I'll have to check that out. Do. Catch up. Trello.com. What other integrations? Alright. Alrighty. Alright, how do you have a GitHub project in Laravel where I can reference to learn quickly? I really want to see a medium to large scale application in actual, let's see how it works. Thank you in advance, more power. Well, depends on if you want it to be PHP oriented or VueJs oriented. Repos. Okay. Okay. And survive. Whew. I will throw a tasker away drums. Alright. I'm trying to remember what you were. Threads. Oh. At drums. Already been assigned. You made a push. You don't mark it. Mia Bakir. Mia Bakir. Alright. I believe I've given you access, so www.bitbucket.com. Git add, git commit, git push origin master. So many small things, one after another. I do need to add additional things to my list. I'll make sure to add that. Helpers, Twitch, tech, oh, Asana, and Free Camp. I believe it's bitbucket.org. And yes. I will copy and paste it over to you. So pardon the formatting, please. So, yep, that should go ahead and do it. And also, Slack. I believe it's slack.com. What level plan do you run? Oh, free. I run the free plan. I don't really need too much more than that. But yeah, good looking out on technologies I forgot to include on my list. I personally like Free Camp for like personal stuff, but when you're working in a group environment, yeah, you definitely need something a little more robust. Let's see. Alright. Back here. Already reviewed that. Alright. There we go. And let's see. Has anyone else reached out to me? Nope. Nothing terribly important. So, there we go. What level plan do you run? Trello is what I was using for personal, Jira for work. Atlassian Jira is pretty awesome. And I believe it can integrate with Bitbucket. Pricing. Do they have it free? Do they have a free tier? Or is it a... Her price. Total per month. Nope. For $10 for a small team. Which I can totally get. $7 per user per month? Sweet gosh! That is obscene. Cloud. Yeah, it's very powerful, and I wasn't expecting it to be free, but still. It's one of those, oh, oof, oh gosh. So, okay. Okay. 1 second. Hello? Yes. Yes. Sorry about that. I had to go ahead and set up something personal. It happens. Fantastic. Oh, you're looking for something new? I would definitely recommend Freed Camp if you're looking for something reliable. I personally am very fond of Freed Camp. Alright, branches. No one has main development production. So, go ahead. Need to invite someone. User, group access. Alrighty. Get back here. So, let's go ahead. If he's gone ahead, so he did accept. Alright, let's give you access. Oh! If he's not doing anything, then... hasn't done anything. Free for up to 5 users. $2 per user a month. Starts at $10 a month. Okay. Somehow it gets more expensive. Mer checks. Build minute. Okay. What was the most dangerous or most challenging thing you have ever done? It really depends on the subject matter. There we go. So now that we have that taken care of, so to account for node, I need to do that as well. So let's go ahead and jump over to automation. Hostname, hostname, hostname. Create hostname. Socket. Alright, I presume that there's no... Alright. What we need then is going to be inside of Apache 2, sites available. And then inside of template, so create host name. If node socket equals 1. Then alrighty. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Echo. etc apache 2 sites available slash site name dot conf. What's the worst thing a person can do that isn't illegal? Betray someone. If node socket's greater than 0. And 3. I'm gonna need to figure out what to do about this one though. I'll just node socket. Node socket. So there we go. That should be good enough, and I'll be able to test it on a personal project soon enough. And I don't. And the proper permissions are set. Oops. Oops. Let's see. All right. Node.js. It works. Integrate. All right. Those two are taken care of, but I want to see all tasks. Alright. Need to reach out to my friend. That way he can help me plan out this project. last few days. Be in the evening. All right. So being able to go ahead and do that, that's going to be important. So VueJs, Laravel, record user profiles, planning, example task. Why is there an example task? Do you stay in touch with people forever or maintain distance when they are not part of our life anymore? Depends on the person, really. Alrighty. New section. Using storage. No, using data. Alright. Create API endpoints. And I need to import things over from FreeCamp. Come on. All the love. Alrighty, so really does need an upgrade. What is this? View router. Template. So, feature admin users. Loose bugs. Cleanup. Collapsible menu. Pages mod. Migrate to Memcache. WS Explorer. Alright. Alright. Already created a lot of the logic for it, so it should be fun on that front. Record. Takes an unexpected turn. We can cry our lives away, but if they were here, they'd say add column. Delete column. Probably should put it in the order of least important to most important. So, able to go ahead. Alright. Let's see. Who is your celebrity crush? Tay-Tay forever. I am completely shameless in that regards. Alrighty. I am so tempted to migrate this over to GitHub. Migrate GitHub. Explore. Identify points of concern. Hey, Joe Joshi. Users. Users, group access. You've exceeded your user limit. I believe this is you. Yeah. At least you... Bye, Jojoshi. Alright, let's just get rid of some of this. Come on. There has to... Where can't I get rid of stuff? There are groups and access, issues, source. I feel like I'm blind. Hate it when I'm just trying to find something or save oh, here we go. Delete. This is probably where a point of contention is. Pretty sure. Let's see. This was part of another project. Didn't go anywhere. Delete. If I remember correctly, I did share this with someone at some point. Oh, I guess I never shared it with anyone. That's pleasant to know. Alright. Users, group access. WhatsApp, what's your email again? There we go. Alright. There we go. There you go. Alrighty. Very good. So keeps enough things filled up. So So need to find a better way to handle that. Those are the two most major points of concern. What else is important? Already did that. Start endpoints. This is definitely going to be me. Later, slow cool, even though I am pretty sure you're a bot. What is the most worthwhile goal a person can dedicate their life to? Of course, humanity. Building something greater. Identify points of concern. This is going to be all on me. Alrighty. Bitbucket, development, Slack. What is a year of life worth? What about a day? A year of life is worth infinite, essentially. Essentially. Albeit a single day. Anything can happen. Depends on how you spend it. So at that point, just spend it with good people. But considering that my Bitbucket now is kind of capped out, makes me want to create a Zing Git. Sure, I can find a good Laravel instance that I can use and integrate. Let's see. All right, so. Okie dokie. Alrighty. Okay, members list. 94. I did not expect things to explode that much, so yay. Alright. Did 4. Alright. Mark as red. Alright. Don't think that... I think that I'm good in that front. So, let's jump over here again. Huh. Okay. Let's go ahead and build something out for that. Nope, no, no, no. Nope. Do not need. Do not need. I will go ahead and need pages, site, home. Welcome to dashboard. Wait, is this site or side? Style sheet. Welcome home. This is what they waited for. They opened up the door. Conclusion. Layout site component. So, what we're going to definitely need is in the layouts site. And once we're in here, router view params, then it's going to go into pages site home component. Welcome home then is where it's going to need to be. Pages site home. Why would it then? Something's wrong. Something's very wrong. What is the dumbest thing you have ever believed? Oh, that is a very long list. Man. I thought I was a know-it-all kid. I thought I was always onto something clever. But a little bit of humility goes a long way. Pages, site, home, user. Oh, view does not equal alright, user store dot user. User store. Home component. This store state. User store. Okay. Home component. Oh. I know. Do not need. All right. All right. Alright, so then we're going to want to go ahead import logged out component from home. Let's see. So then this is dashboard. This is home. Do not need. Don't think I need anything else from here. What's the best part of your daily routine? Sleep. Well, when I finally get around to wanting to sleep. Because right now I just kind of feel tired and then just go to bed whenever it strikes me. AFK, tickets done. Time for trying, leaving stream open for the view count. Thank you, my dude. You are a hero. So I'm gonna go ahead, pop this over here. Script. Let's go ahead and pop this over. Logged in component. Alright. Set template, logged out. This is home. Alright. Alright. It's choosing to be slow right now, which is fun. It's always fun. Alright. So. Probably for logged out is where I want to go ahead and use my idea. Image. Scroll. Carousel. That's the term. All right. Logged out. Let's go ahead, get that set up. Edit, line, re-indent. And then they're supposed to be like kitty placeholders. Place kitten. So let's go ahead. So I believe it would be width and height. So let's go ahead, put it for 800. And let's go ahead. Log out. Gonna have to fix that. Again, run watch. If this doesn't work, then okay, I need to fix the logout then. See if the I don't think the session stores between... Yep. Do you think if you ever were more well-to-do, you'd say goodbye to the friends you have now? I don't think so. This is dashboard. Oh. View. But it's literally right there. Oh. Line reindent. There we go. With indicators, with caption. Okay, this would probably be... Line reindent. There we go. So it needs to be right under the image. It's me. Alright. Body content. Or presuming I did it right. Alrighty. Is that more of a layout thing? Ah, yeah. Don't need that. Build, router. Have I removed node? Yes, I have. In the odd event that I actually need something, so we'll leave that alone. Footer. Footer def. Edit as HTML. No shame. I think it's footers. Foot D. I believe it's text. There we go. How was your life growing up? Very fortuitous. Should have taken more advantage of my youth. And the amount of free time that I had. But young and foolish. Can't really say much more beyond that.
Something that no one else can. And the path that we've taken will lead us one final stand. There's a moment we'll make a decision, not to cower and crash on the ground. The moment we face our demons, our courage.
There we go. More information about the task. Alrighty. So.
I couldn't take it, couldn't stand another minute. Couldn't bear another day without you in it. All of the joy that I had known for all my life was stripped away from me the minute that you died. To have you in my life was all I ever wanted. Now without you, I'm so forever haunted. Can't help but feel that I had taken you for granted. No way in hell could I could ever comprehend this. I wasn't dreaming when they told me you were gone. I was wide awake and feeling that I had to be gone. I feel that you would stay. Now presence that I never every single episode. It's like a movie, but there's not a happy ending. Every scene fades black and there's no pretending. This little fairy tale doesn't seem to end well. But then I think something ever will leave you from the
Create a trade that is. HTTP control. Is to be extended further in the future. All right. Okay. And the API. objective of this task is to build out new API. You will always want to have a response returned. Case. In order to have standardization. Alrighty. Have you ever bullied someone or been bullied yourself? I think most people have been bullied and have been complete jerks to other people before, so kind of a moot point, in my opinion. Now VueJs, and put HTML. There we go. v-html params.text. There we go. Okay. To want to put more kittens, of course. Who doesn't love kittens? Evil people, that's who. Gonna need a little more than that. Okay. Is it at least in a container? Yeah, it is. The heck? So, what if I'm... Alright. Let's take another crack at it. Let's take a better look at that.
Don't be disappointed. Don't let your heart break. Don't spend another minute in this way. It's okay.
Come on.
Dry your eyes.
1140. There we go. Width.
12 is a long night when you're searching with no hope inside.
Alright, that's better. Alright, bootstrap for accordion. What stops people from understanding themselves? Pride, arrogance, the usual offenders. That is weird. Position. Public. Pages, home, layouts, footers. Footer. Width, inch percent, line height. Let's go ahead and do this. Nope. Oh, fixed. Okay, for some reason this is insisting on being small. I'm sure there's a better approach. right. What are the 3 most important things in your life? Things. Material things. I would have to say my Dungeons and Dragons box, my computer, and my bed. I really like my bed. Slide. No. Header. ID. Maybe. Margin, bottom. Probably going to need a better approach to that. Alrighty. Fantastic. Alrighty. true, true. Okay. Heading 1. Collapse title 1. Collapse title. Collapse title 2. Collapse 2. Title 2. And collapse title 3. Collapse title 3. Data parent. Home accordion. Header. Second header. Second caption. And then, now that we have that, oops. And now that we have that, so all right, so Paris 18 Yeetsy. Great to see you. So, we don't need that. We don't need that anymore. So, now we're going to need to work on the logged in version. And how do I want to go ahead and handle the logged in version? So, it's going to vary from service to service, and there's no way to exactly properly know, but some things are definitely going to be very defaulty, in my opinion. In my opinion, that is. But still need to figure out how to best handle discerning admin from non-admin. So that will be a VueJs. The normal section. For alright, now that we have that figured. So, it's probably going to require a switch of some kind. That's for sure. But being able to have something. Maybe home, about, or main, about, main, contact. Those are always going to be important. And there's a number of ways to handle a main about, but I can probably just recreate my personal website in that regards and use that as a litmus test. So, selection tabs, panels per tab, example panels, promotion, and default contact form. And I can probably bring in a number of defaults. Alrighty. Alright, something I would also need to integrate. Chat panel. Design. So the design is going to be actually very important in my mind. So probably it's going to need at least two different kind of versions. So layouts, chats, admin chat panel component dot view. Okay. Export default. Alright. Chat panel. Login chat. Type 1. View component.view admin chat panel then there's going to need to be a logged out chat admin component.view. Alright, so that's a lot more templating out than... Probably the two most important ones are going to be communicating between the admin and, well, the admin with the public at large. So, I'm gonna see if he's been poking around. That is... It is a PHP example of what I want to be able to drop in future controllers interfacing with the general API controller. Alrighty, so homepage improvements, push origin master. So let's go ahead, push tabs, close tabs to the right. Chat panel component, which is probably going to have a few different things. So name logged out chat admin component brands components, and on top of that we're going to need, this is definitely going to be much more on the Node.js side, that's for sure. Computed. Room ID. Data. Minimized chat. True. Return 0. So this is going to encapsulate the whole thing. Div. Top bar. Div. Which will be which will need to be transposed from site to site. So as soon as a connection is made, probably need to go ahead, create a room. So that is something that will need to be fired. So we'll need to build that logic out. But for now, we need the logic here. Sent from here. Received from here. And that is where sent from here. Alright. Message received. Hello, Otavio Morale. Alrighty. And then So what we're going to need to go ahead and do so jump over to layouts, site. Then we're going to do import logged out admin component dot view from chat, or is it chats? Logged out chat admin component. I can probably come up with something a little easier. How do you behave around colleagues? I try to definitely be on my best behavior. Locac. Logged out chat admin component. Sorry to see you go to view morale. Waited for this will be the day we opened up the door. All right, perfect. Maybe I can find a nice card approach. Bootstrap for cards. With a nice header as well. Here we go. Line reindent. So, with that, silly. I was. Thought I was. Alright. Edit, line reindent. That way it can be formatted prettily. And if it's done like that, should look pretty. So, go ahead. We need a footer. Pretty sure there's a way to go ahead and do a footer. Definitely have to come back to that. Chat header color, which is completely dependent on let's see. Let's go ahead and just start with this. No, it needs to be card then. Go ahead and do that. Chat header color. Alright. Box area. I believe I need to refer to the footer. To get some bottom. $60px, and then we're going to need a width of 200 pixels. Let's just start with that and see how that fares. Red chat count. Let's see. Maybe it needs to be 50. It's definitely closer. 40. Float right. Okay. Right. 0 pix. There we go. Icons. Alright, then we're going to need a couple of those, and then double check that it's there. One. All right. Actually, I only need one. Alright, V if minus chat. Alright, minimize. If and then we're going to need boom. Hopefully it doesn't send me to the top of the page. Perfect. here. Weird, weird, weird. All right. Okay. Just need to find the right way. I burned. You need me back. I'll have to mull that over. But either way, I'm actually pretty happy with where I've gotten today. Being able to have something that I could use as a starting point for next time. Integrating format for chat. Git push origin master. Anyways, for those that have been hanging, thank you very much. I always enjoy your company, and remember to follow and let me know if there's anything that you want in particular. Again, welcome to Matheson Projects. See y'all.